Good morning, everyone. Today I'll speak about cycling, an activity that combines transportation, fitness, sport, and environmental awareness. Cycling has been used by human beings for more than a century as a simple and reliable means of transport. Even today, it remains relevant in both developed and developing countries. It is affordable, easy to maintain, and accessible to people of all age groups. First, let us consider cycling as mode of transport. In urban areas, traffic congestions and rising fuel prices have become major problem. Cycling provides a practical solution to both. It produces no pollution and reduced dependence on fossil fuels. Countries like Netherlands, Germany, and Denmark have developed exclusive cycling lanes, making bicycles a primary commuting option. In India, cycling can be easily useful in small towns and rural areas where distances are short. Second, cycling plays an important role in physical and mental health. It is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that strengthens the heart and lungs. Regular cycling improves muscle tone, stamina, and flexibility. It also helps in maintaining body weight and preventing lifestyle disease such as obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. Mentally, cycling reduces stress and anxiety and improves concentration. Many people use cycling as a recreational activity to refresh their mind after work. However, cycling faces several challenges. The major problem are lack of proper infrastructure, unsafe road and traffic accident. In many cities, cyclists are forced to share road with heavy vehicle which increases risk. Weather conditions such as extreme heat or rain can also discourage people from cycling. To overcome these challenges, government and the local authority should promote cycling by building dedicated cycle tracks, inducing public bicycle sharing system and spreading awareness about road safety. Campaigns like Fit India and Safe Environment can help. Thank you.